In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Pipedrive web form, 5 minutes. Let's jump straight in. Start by logging into your Pipedrive account so you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, head to the leads area. This is where Pipedrive groups everything related to capturing and managing prospects, and it's the home for web forms. Inside the leads section, look for web forms and open it. If this is your first time here, you'll see an option to try web forms. Go ahead and select that to enter the builder. You'll be prompted to choose a starting point. Pick a template like contact us, registration, or download if you want a quick setup with common fields already in place, or choose a blank form for total control. Templates are great for speed, but a blank form can be ideal if you have a very specific flow in mind. Next, customize the theme and style. Align the colors, fonts, and spacing with your brand so the form feels trustworthy and consistent with your site. Keep contrast high for readability and make buttons clear and inviting. Now add your fields. Use the plus icon to insert blocks such as text inputs, email fields, phone fields, drop downs, or checkboxes. Think about the bare minimum you need to qualify a lead. Shorter forms typically convert better. Group related questions to keep the experience smooth. To refine each field, click the pencil icon. Rename labels so they're crystal clear, add helpful placeholders or descriptions, and mark fields as required only when absolutely necessary. For example, an email address may be essential, while a company name might be optional depending on your use case. Consistency in capitalization and wording helps the form feel polished. After the fields are set, customize the post-submission experience. Write a friendly confirmation message that sets expectations, like when someone can expect a reply or what will happen next. Assign an owner for new leads so submissions automatically route to the right person or team. This keeps follow-ups fast and prevents leads from slipping through the cracks. When everything looks good, click Save. Then open the Share and Embed options. You can copy a direct link to share in emails or social posts, or grab the HTML embed code to place the form on your website or landing page. Use the method that best matches where your audience will interact with it. That's it. Your Pipedrive web form is ready to capture and route high quality leads with a clean, branded experience.